Yeah, I'm so sorry. So I will save the surprise at the end. So now let's talk about my PyCon Namibia experience and why it is different from the others. So who knows where is Namibia? Yes, it's in Africa. It's in the south part of Africa. It's very near to South Africa. So it's a very less populated country. Let's put it that way. It's 80% of it is desert. Why am I going there? Because there's a PyCon there. Can you imagine, like in a desert, there are people starting to use Python and do some amazing things. By the way, this is my Twitter and my GitHub, so feel free to say hi. Okay. So because it's a lightning talk, I will speed up. Why you have to go there and why it's different? Because it's a conference in February and it's like a summer holiday. Can you believe it? Can you go to anywhere in Europe in February and feel like a summer holiday? No. So you have to go to PyCon Namibia. And then also, it's not a big conference, as I said. It's like a less populated country. So you only got like around 70, 80 people as the conference attendee, and 10 of us is maybe from we are international, conference goers, or we are from another country, and then half of it is like students. You can see there's some high school student in the middle. They are in their uniform, but they are super smart and bright. And I've talked to them, and they all have their ideas. One guy wants to have his own startup. It's amazing. I was like, I need to get him here in London, maybe. And that's Emmanuel there is like super happy. Yeah, okay. And also, the conference run in a super chill timetable. So basically, in the morning of the day, nobody knows what the timetable exactly will be. It's a rough idea, and then it's subjected to change, which is very exciting in my point of view, because suddenly you're like, oh, it's my time to give a talk. Okay. I don't know. So yeah, it's very relaxing, and you have more time to have lunch outside and chat with people. That's very good. Also, we have a very fancy dress code. So on the right-hand side is Sandrine. If you have met her before, she's also go to PyData a lot. And yeah, she's in a traditional Namibian dress. And also I have got to wear the hat, which is very funny. And also, why going all the way to Africa? Because they are locals. You can see on the picture on the right-hand side, they are the local organizers, and a lot of them are actually university students, and they learn Python in university. And then they're organizing this conference, and then they're very nice. They bring us to a local trip that we go to a local market, and then they're like people cracking a skull of a goat. Oh, in open air is a bit scary, and also there are worms on the market that you can buy and cook it yourself. So yeah, it's an amazing experience. Also in the evening we go to an open mic. So instead of giving a lightning talk like what I'm doing now, in the evening I go to a random theater, and then we are giving poems. So yeah, it's very interesting. And also, I have to emphasize this point. They have a really diversity in gender. So you can see in the picture, half of the attendees for my workshop, they are women. They have no idea 90% of the people going to the conference will be male. No, they don't have that idea. They're like, oh, we are here to learn, and there's a lot of women. They are working for big companies in Namibia, and they are very smart. They want to learn to use Python in data analysis. They want to use that at work. This is amazing. We have to do better in London here. Also, we are on the newspaper, so we have a column introduce Python in Namibia schools in expand IT to expand IT. So we are featured. So yeah, we found it on the newspaper. Of course, we drink beer and then read what they write about the conference. It's good. And also we put a sticker there. If you can see is where I'm pointing at. There's a sticker of PyCon Namibia. So it's the Tropic of Capricorn, because after the conference, some of us went on a trip to drive through the desert, and then we go through the Tropic of Capricorn, and then we put the sticker there like everybody does. So when you go there, please find the sticker. And, oh no, okay. We write the giant PyCon NA in the desert. So, I don't think you'll still see it there because, the wind will blow the sand and all these, but we leave our mark everywhere, which is amazing. And then, unfortunately, we had a flat tire after we go to write the PyCon NA, and then so we have to change the tire. But we do it in a code review style. You can see somebody was holding the menu, and somebody was trying to have a look, and then somebody was holding a tire, and somebody was like kind of managing, like that's the project manager there, and Manu is the project manager. It's like, it's like doing it as a team. So yeah. So I can't show you everything, so please go there and see. Their website is there, and I think they will post about next year very soon, and then I think it will be around the same time. It could be in February, it could be in March, but around that time when the weather is amazing, sunshine all the time, not like London, so please. Also, if you want to go in our summertime, because the kids, I don't know why, but if you've decided to go in August, there is the PyCon Africa that you could go. So yeah, you can also look at the details on their website. Yeah, so that's PyCon Namibia, and the surprise is here. I should make it bigger. So recently, what I did is like I have this, I contribute to open source, by the way, if you don't know me. But this time I was challenging myself. I tried to make my own library. So this one is called Pick and Mix. So if you have buy the candies in the store, it's like picking your candy and put it like and mix. And what it does is like it's for stacking. If you have, let's say you have some scikit-learn model that you want to do some fancy stacking to increase the accuracy for whatever reason, then you can use this because it's very easy to use. I will show you the documentation. Usage. Right, so you just kind of, you have your model, and then you just build a layer, and then you stack the layers one on top of each other, and then it will become a stack. And then for the stack, it's actually do what scikit-learn allows you to do. You can fit, and then you can predict. So it's very simple, but it's handy when you need it. What I want people to contribute now, of course, like use it, and then if there's any issues, let me know. Any way I can improve it, let me know. You can give me an issue here, and yeah, and right now I am trying to do this. Let me show you. Do I have it here? Right, trying to do this. I will post it later as well. Right, I'm trying to have this logo competition because I'm going to EuroPython, which going to be the conference before PyData London. So you can do both in a week. Yes. So yeah, you would. Yeah, I need a beautiful logo so I can get some sticker printed and then I can give it away. So please, if you think that you're an artist, please help me out and design a logo. If your logo got picked, you will have some stickers, and then you will be credited. So thank you so much.